Yeah, I got it now. It's on video.
Super scared.
Why?
Is anything gonna eat me when I jump in?
No, they don't have any.
You just might get some leeches. No big
She's
Keep going.
the background is beautiful. You're beautiful. You work that camera, baby. You go in.
Had to hide a face from my desire to embrace forbidden fire. But at night I dream she's singing over me. Oh, oh, my child, come on home. Home to me, and I will hold you in my arms.
I have it going. Holy crap! How long do I have to run? This is harder. Caleb, run! Beat him! Beat him! He's slowing down. You gotta get to the very top. That's not the very top. There's the very top. Look, Caleb. It's okay. I'll be queen of the mountain. I have been way higher than Nehemiah right there. Brenna, you made it shorter.
Wondering where I might begin. Hear her voice on the wind. She's singing faint, but singing true. Son, there ain't nothing you can do. But listen close and follow me. I'll take you where you're meant to be. Just don't lose faith.
Is that irritating first thing in the morning?
I don't want to remember this moment.
Singing, oh my child, come on home. Home to me, and I will hold you in my arms. And joyfully there will always be a place for you at my table. Return to me, my child.
Oh, it was at Niesen, the Niesen Pyramid, which we couldn't see because it was too foggy. It was named after Liam Neeson.